Hello everyone, this is Suresh from Azure ADB. Today our topic is one of the real-time scenario. So scenario is like how to change data type of multiple columns using for loop and cast function. See our input is this one, this table, and column names are there. So if we create this table, so this is how it looks. And if you see by default data types of these points and assets, see these are all integers and it got data type of long. So, but as per data modeler input, so we want to convert these long data type into string. So there are two ways we can do it by using cast function, by using with column individually on each column, and second option is using for loop. So in this particular demo, so we'll see how to use for loop for this to do at a time. Okay, so and we'll go now for demo. See, to use cast with multiple columns at once, you can use the following syntax. Okay, so suppose my input is, so my columns equal to points and assets. Like, see these two columns I want to convert from long to string type. Okay, so this is the for loop statement for x in my underscore columns means this. It will iterate one by one. Then I return df equal to df dot with column x. X means first it will take points, then call of x points, then it will convert to string. In second iteration, it will convert assist column into string. So this particular example casts both the points and assist columns in the data frame to a string, while leaving the data type of all other columns in the data frame unchanged. So this will see what it meaning. So what is our task is to change data type from integer to string. So first I'm uploading functions and types and I'm running this cell. I'm trying to attach cluster. So this is our data set, data and this relevant column names. And I'm using create.data frame and I'm trying to print schema. If you see data types, see you can see either here by expanding and second way I given print schema. No? So at bottom, so here also you can see schema of each column. See what is our requirement? These points and assist. So it reading as long data type, but as per my data modeler's input, it should be string. Okay, so we have to follow as per data modeler's input. Now we'll see how to convert these two columns from long to string data type. So see what I'm doing. So I'm defining one variable and in list, I'm defining columns. What are the columns I want to change data type? That is points and assets. So that I mentioned here, column names. Then what I'm doing, convert data type of each element in list to string. So as I explained earlier, X means first it will pass points column, then second time it will pass assist column. Okay, so here our requirement is only two columns. You can add as many columns like this. Okay, here you can add a number of columns. Okay, so if I try to run this, see if you expand this data type, see these points and assist data type got changed to string. If you see earlier, these two are long. So it got changed from long to string. Okay, so what is here our conclusion is, so based on this result, we can see that the points and assist columns have both been converted to a data type of string. Okay, also note that the data type of team and conference, okay, remaining columns have remained unchanged because we are not touched, because we are not converted data types here. So we use the cast function to cast two columns to string, but you can replace string with either float, double, or any other data type I would like to see. So here our scenario is to convert long to string. So similar way you can convert to any type. Okay, suppose these columns I want to convert from long to timestamp. So then you can mention here timestamp, either timestamp, date, or double. So whatever data type you required, you can enter here. You can change here. So according to that, it will update. Okay. So that's all about this video. So thanks for watching. If you really like this video, please like and subscribe and share your notes circle. Thank you.